Assalamu alaikum, adab, namaste, adab, Dubai. I am Jutt right now at Dubai. It's a great honor for us. I'm right now with the honors of the Northern Warriors and the champion of the Northern Warriors, Daren Sammy. First of all, congratulations, become a champion of T10 2018. Start from Sammy, from you. My question to you: PSL champion, T20 champion, World Cup champion, now T10 League champion. How was the feeling?
Look, from the inception, we believe we put a good team together, and all of us believe we were gonna be victorious. And you know, we just went out and played a brand of cricket that excite the world, and that is what T10 is about. And I'm really proud of the team, the owners, and everybody who were part of the Northern Warriors family, because that's what it is. It's a family, and we went out there and we fought and we won and we played like true warriors.
How was the experience? Become a Zalmi, now become a Warriors. How was the experience?
It's all good, you know. I always say when you pick a squad, you must have good people, and we have some really good people in the dressing room, but also some exciting cricketers. And kudos! You saw how happy the owners were, and you saw how happy the fans were. And look, I know they partied all through the morning, you know, for the victory. But look, T10 is going upwards, and look, I can't wait for next year to be part of the Northern Warriors if they're gonna have me.
I want to know when Mr. Mohomed shared with you the Northern Warriors, and you are so much excited, and you want to be part of the Northern Warriors, and you say before 2 months we are the champions. What is image come in your mind when you listen the Warriors?
Well, Warriors, you know, it shows to me when you're a warrior, you have good character. You got belief in yourself. You will fight till the end. You're a champion. You go out there and you give your best. You know, you really out there to compete. And I remember after the draft, he could confirm that. After the draft, one night I was going through the squad, and I was trying to see what my first 11 would be, and it was difficult to actually come up with the first 11, and that's about 2 months before the actual tournament, early October. And I sent a voice note to him. And I said to him, "Bro, I'm looking at this team, and we have a powerful team, and we're gonna win this cup." And I asked him, "Do you believe we're gonna win this cup?"
So it's 2 months before in October.
Yes, I asked him so, and I told him, "Are you gonna believe this cup?"
Yes, I had full belief in him. He was so confident, and I had sent him the entire creative of all the squad, all the names, and he was looking at it. And in the middle of the night, he looks at the squad and he just sends me a voicemail out of nowhere, and he says, "Bro, are you okay?" I said, "Yeah. You know, I was looking at this squad, and you know, believe me, you know, I'm going to win this cup. We have a good team. And do you believe me? Do you believe me? Do you believe me?"
Yes, so that's what it's.
So you believe on yourself when you believe on your team.
Look, my mantra in life, whenever I go and speak to any young people in St. Lucia, wherever, I always tell them, I go by one thing: imagine, believe, and achieve. If you imagine in your mind, you have an idea what you want to do, and you believe it in your heart, it's left for your body to go out and achieve it. And I think sometimes people take for granted how having a positive mindset and believing in yourself could really work in helping you achieving things. And he's the, how you call it? He's the hyper guy, and he is the cool one who stays calm, and he, you know, but the two well put together. So he's doing all the jumping and the shouting, and he's the one who keeps it calm, just like you need somebody to keep it calm on the field. Yeah, very, very good team put together, both as management and as players and the coaching staff. Look, Robin has won 2 out of 2, you know, and it shows you that he knows a thing or two about what he's doing. So to win both titles with 2 different teams, it shows how good he is as a coach. And like I said, It's just been an amazing tournament, and I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed the owners. I've enjoyed the players. You know, we had the most runs and the most wickets in our team. I thought we had the best team, and the two best teams got to the finals. Hard luck to Paktun, Afridi, and his boys. They played really well, but you know, at the end of the day, we won the game that really mattered, which was the finals.
Mr. Mohomed, ask you, Bollywood experience, IPL experiences, and now T10. Northern Warriors is a big brand nowadays. How was the feeling? And second question, when you choose the logo of the Northern Warriors, we want to know the history of that logo because we see the different teams in the T10 and they have each team has a logo. But we just get the new we get this news. You have a history behind of your logo, so we want to you share with your audience, with your our audience, what is the story behind that logo?
See, we are a Northern Warriors. We are an Indian-based team based in the north of India. We are Indian-based team based in the north of India. And in the north of India, there are 9 states. There are Rajasthan, Punjab, UP, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, and Punjab. And these places in India where the maximum warriors came from. The Mughals came, the Rajputs came, or the Punjab, the heroes came. The maximum warriors came from this side of India. There were wars that time in the history of India. And there are certain warriors that played cricket, like Rana Ranjit Singh, Rana Dilip Singh. And today, there is a league, 2 leagues played in tribute to those warriors, called the Ranjit Trophy and the Dilip Trophy. So we have a connection to cricket and the warriors. And those warriors were like this. They believe that once they remove their sword, they have to cut it with blood and put it back. Or if they go for battle, they will win and come back. So that is the belief our warriors also believed in. And we believe that was the logo and that was the story, and that's why you see that logo. We wanted to put a bat there, but then we said, let's go with the warrior story.
Your theme anthem, Balla Bolega. We get a lot of inspiration and motivation from the theme, anthem of the Northern Warriors. So how you get this inspiration, you get this idea to inspire your team, give a motivation to your team. Especially Sammy is very big fan of the music and he loved to dance. So we want to know how was the experience when you played that song yesterday after the final Northern Warriors, the Balla Bolega and the Mikka Singh voice. How's this experience?
This is also all was the built up from the logo story to the belief to the team building, and even if you see our stationery, our costumes, everything was done with great experience from definitely from IPL working 7-8 years with KKR, and that experience came behind giving good management. And then we have an entrepreneur here, my partner Shahbaz Ilyas, who was the entrepreneur part. I was the workhorse. He was the finance guy, the man behind the money. He was handling all that, and I was handling the workforce and the other work, experienced work. And we made a great team and great combination. And basically, we wanted a Punjab top singer to do our song. And so we got Mikka Singh. He is the #1 Punjabi singer or Bollywood singer in the country. And we said we'll just have to go with the top. We can't go with anything ordinary, with the Warriors. So we have him, his voice is so rich. And we had an award-winning Padma Shri Award, that is India's highest award, a lyricist, to write the anthem. And we had the music director of some of the biggest hits like Ashiki, Raju Singh, to do the music. And I gave them the brief, and in 3 drafts, we had the song, and I sent it to him. And again, he sent me a message. I still have that voice message.
So you have been watching.
Yeah, I sent the song to him, and I have his message account. He said, "We are the Northern Warriors. We are going to kill it, brother." I still have those messages.
So you have these messages too from Sammy to tell with you this is a record. Mr. Shahbaz, the main part from your side, the finance. When Mr. Morani says we need this fund and Sammy says we need this fund, so it's a very hard job to release the fund. So how was the experience when Mr. Morani and then
I'm happy to do that because we've got a great warriors with us. So, we are always in our front foot. So I'm more the happy to be a part of it and have a very successful season.
the last question with Mr. Mohomed and Mr. Shahbaz, and also Sammy is here. Northern Warriors nowadays now a big brand, and you are the champion. When you go back in India, you have any plan to launch talent hunt for all over the India for the new talent over the cricket for T10 for the next team?
Yes, we do have a sponsor on board who is United Phosphorus Limited, and they basically supply, pesticides to the farmers. And the farmers are the people who give us food. People think that you buy food from supermarkets, but it comes from the farmers. So they want to do. They want to go. They are the global, I think, third largest company in pesticides, and they want to go into every farmer and in India and tell them that your children can also become a cricketer. And we are going to train them with our league, with our train. We will shortlist them, and we have a talent hunt going on in T10. We will, if the good cricketers, Daren and Robin would choose, and they will go in the talent hunt, and they will be picked up by teams. Northern Warriors, we are the Northern Warriors.
Yeah, we champion. We champion. Yes.
Okay, so we will tell DJ Bravo, champion.
Yeah, but it was a very good tournament. And again, thank you to my team and the owners for making it so, easy to be part of the Northern Warriors. I'm really looking forward to next year where we could be champions again.
We've been so comfortable having Daren as a captain.
Thank you
He's
so
really
much
taken
for
care
your
of
time. Thank you so
everything.
much. Best wishes
Thank
for
you.
Northern Warriors.